Mastering the passive voice with gerunds. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English grammar series. Today, we're diving into an exciting and crucial topic: passive voice with gerunds. It may sound complex, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to understand it and use it with confidence in your own writing and conversations. Before we delve into passive voice with gerunds, let's briefly remind ourselves of what a gerund is. A gerund is a verb form that ends in ing and functions as a noun. For example, in the sentence, "I enjoy reading," reading is a gerund that serves as the object of the verb, enjoy. Passive voice is a grammatical construction where the action's recipient is placed in the subject position, and the action's doer becomes less important or is omitted entirely. For instance, the sentence, "The cake was eaten by John," is in the passive voice. Here, the cake, the action's recipient, is emphasized rather than John, the doer of the action. Now that we have a solid understanding of both gerunds and passive voice, let's look at how we can use them together. When we use the passive voice with gerunds, we start with a form of be, followed by a past participle, which then becomes the gerund. For example, the sentence, "John likes being praised," uses the passive voice with a gerund. In this case, being praised is the gerund phrase in the passive voice. Let's practice converting active sentences with gerunds into passive ones. Consider this sentence: "She hates people judging her." In passive voice with a gerund, this becomes, "She hates being judged." Here's another example: "They enjoy chefs cooking for them." In passive voice, we would say, "They enjoy being cooked for." And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use passive voice with gerunds. As always, practice makes perfect, so keep writing and speaking using this new structure, and you'll master it in no time. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing and happy learning.